Storm Katie, flights cancelled and property damaged. Storm Katie has battered large parts of England, leaving flights cancelled, property damaged and thousands of people without power. Flights bound for Gatwick and Heathrow were diverted to other airports and dozens were cancelled as gusts of up to 106 miles per hour hit the south of the country. More than 100,000 homes were without power at the height of the winds, with thousands still awaiting reconnection. The Environment Agency has issued 25 flood warnings following heavy rain. The agency has also issued about 150 alerts in response to what it said were rapidly rising river levels in the wake of the storm. Travel disruption included the overnight closure of Dartford River Crossing and Dam 48 Severn Bridge, which has now reopened, and delays to several train routes because of trees blown onto tracks.